Wow, surprise. Yes, children, I told you, right? You have a nice surprise today. So I have brought a nice surprise for you. So, you know what is that surprise? Okay, let me tell you. The surprise is a 360 degrees virtual tour. Yes, children. So we are going to a virtual tour today. Yes, children. So you all know due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to go to school. Yes, children. Otherwise, we would have been gone to a field trip now. After completing this shape chapter, we would have gone to a field trip. And by the way, do you all know what is a field trip? Okay, let me tell you. So, field trip is something, whatever you have learnt in the class, you should be able to identify them in the real life and you should be able to use them. Okay, children? So, you all know now we cannot go for a field trip. So, we are going to a virtual trip now. Okay, children? So, we will be virtually going to a place and we will be identifying all the shapes, all the patterns which we have learned till now. Yes, children? Yes. So, where are we going now? Are you all excited? So, let me tell you, we are going to a butterfly park. Yes, children? We are going to a butterfly park. And do you know where this butterfly park is located? It is located in the Ramoji Film City. You all know it, right? The Ramoji Film City. It's in Hyderabad. So, this butterfly park is a part of the Ramoji Film City. And we are going to visit this butterfly park virtually now. Yes, children? But children, a few guidelines for you before going to this butterfly park. I want to just tell you, see, I will not be in this window. I'll be in another window. So only Geeta ma'am will be here. So you should not disturb her. Okay, children? You should not unmute yourself. I will call your names and whoever I am calling, only they will unmute themselves and they will answer. Okay, children? You should not disturb Geeta ma'am. You should not disturb the whole class. Okay? If you say me yes, then we will go to a virtual tour. Yes, children? So, let me quickly take a poll now. So, if you are not going to unmute yourself and not disturb Geeta ma'am, you will click yes. If you want to disturb her, you can click no. Then we will not go for a virtual tour. Okay, so let me take a quick poll now. I want all the yes, all the 100% yes. So, we all go and visit a virtual tour now. Okay, children? So, see, I have given you two options. You can answer in yes or no. Quickly, children. Quickly now. No one will unmute and see, Isaac said no. You want to disturb Geeta ma'am, dear? Moktika, you do not want to enjoy the virtual tour? Yes. Very good. Very good. Only Isaac and Moktika said, okay. Moktika says sorry. So, dear, I know maybe by mistake you have clicked it no. It's
I understood it, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I understood, dear. So both of you, Shan and Moktika, maybe by mistake they have clicked it no, but all of you are ready for a virtual tour, right? Please do not forget this, children. Only the children whom I will call will unmute themselves. Okay? So let me share the screen with you now, children. Are you all excited? Yes? So let me share the screen with you, children. Just give me few seconds. I will share it with you. Yes. Children, are you all able to see the entrance here? Okay, I think it's taking some time. Let it take. Okay. Now, children, yes. Wow. See, this is Geeta ma'am. Can you all see the entrance, ma'am? Geeta ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay. See, children. Wow. This is the entrance for our butterfly park. Okay, children. So, are you all excited? So, I am also excited to take you into this park now. See what we are going to see. Let me enter. See, I'm just going inside. So, let me go inside. Yes. Wow. Yes. Can you all see this, children? Wow. Such a beautiful park here. Wow. Yes. Yes. So, see, children, here we have lots of plants here, right? If you can see, we have so many leaves here, right? So, we will call Vaishnavi now. Vaishnavi, please unmute yourself, dear. Vaishnavi is here. Vaishnavi, quickly, dear. Then Advait is here. Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi is here. Okay, let me take you a bit back, children. So, wait. It is taking some time.
I am Advait.
You're Advait? Okay, okay. See, I cannot see you, Advait. That is why I'm in a different window. So, only the children whom I will call will unmute themselves, okay? Yes. Yes, children. Yes, Advait. See, here we have different leaves, right? Can you see my mouse pointer? Yes. Now, Advait, tell me, all these leaves, are they of straight lines or curved lines, dear?
Curved line.
Curved lines. Very good, Advait. Very good job. So, children, see the leaves. Whatever the leaves we see, I will zoom it and show you. See, I'll zoom it. Wow. See, I'll show you the leaves. See the leaves here. See the leaves are in which shape, children? All the leaves will be in a curved shape. We have learned, right? The leaves will be in curved shape. See, we are now able to see the leaves are in a curved shape. Okay. Now, okay. See, let me go now. See, here we have an instruction board. Now we will call, ma'am, Geeta, ma'am, we have an echo there. Please check. Okay, AVRS Vaishnavi, please mute yourself here. Okay, next, Anish.
It's clear, you can continue.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Anish is here. Yes. AVRS Vaishnavi, please mute yourself. Ma'am, Geeta, ma'am, see that only the child I call will unmute himself, ma'am. Please mute other children. I'm in a different window. Okay. Now, Anish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, we see a board here, right? A board in which instructions are written.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the shape of this board?
Square.
Square. Wow, very good. So see, children, this board is in a square shape. Very good. And see, again, we have beautiful flowers here. So let me zoom it and show you. See, we have beautiful here. So let me call Arav. Arav is here. Arav, quickly unmute yourself here. Yes, Arav. See the flowers. You can see the flowers, right? Let me zoom again. Yes. Can you tell me flowers are in straight lines or curved lines, dear?
Curved.
Curved. Very good. So, children, you all know the leaves, the flowers, and the fruits are curved. Okay. Very good. Now, let me call Aryan. Welcome, dear. Now, Aryan, please unmute yourself. Aryan? Aryan, please unmute yourself. Quickly, children. Otherwise, Atharva, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Quickly, children. Yes. Now tell me, dear. See here, you can follow my mouse pointer or else let me zoom this. Okay. Here, what are these lines? Can you tell me? See, we see so many. Yes, see, we see a triangle here. Very good, boy. And next, what can you observe? See, what is this line?
Rectangle.
This one. See what I'm showing? Only this line. What do we call this line? Wow, awesome. We call this as a sleeping line. And this one, what do we call this?
Standing line.
Standing line. Very good. And what do we call these two lines in the middle?
Cross line.
Cross lines are also called as, I told you, right? What are those?
Yeah.
What are those? What are these cross lines called? Is it Atharva?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Then Ayush is here. Quickly unmute yourself, Ayush. Ayush.
Ma'am, Aryan and Ayush are absent, ma'am.
Oh, Aryan and Ayush are absent. Okay. Brahmi. Brahmi, please unmute yourself, dear. Yes. Yes, Brahmi. Now tell me. See, there are two lines here. See, you can follow my mouse pointer. What are these lines called?
Slanting lines.
Wow, awesome. Slanting lines. Very good girl. Now, thank you, Brahmi. Next, we'll call Manasa. Now, we will call Manasa. Yes, Manasa. Manasa, can you see a white color basement here? This one?
Yes.
What is the shape of this one? Can you tell me this block? What is the shape of this block? Wow, rectangle. There's a 3D shape for a rectangle. Do you remember it? What is the 3D shape for a rectangle? It has 6 rectangular faces. What is it? We have learned 3D shapes, right? Cube, cuboid, sphere.
Cuboid.
Wow, awesome. So this is a cuboid. Very good girl. So children, see this is a cuboid here. See this block is like a cuboid, right? It has 6 rectangular faces. Very good, Manasa. Next up, Chassis Carol. Chassis Carol.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chassis. Now, okay, let me show you something. Okay. Now tell me, what is the shape of this mesh, dear? This one. This mesh.
Square.
What is this? How? Yes, it looks like a square. Very good girl. Now, see, Stacy, I'm going to zoom this. I'm going to zoom this mesh. See, inside also, what do you have? What is the shape of this?
Square.
Squares. Very good girl. So, see, children, this one is a square, and inside the mesh also, we have all the small squares. Okay, children? Yes. So, are you able to identify all the shapes here? Wow, such a lovely park, right? Yes. So, let me go forward now. See, on the top also, we have all the sleeping lines, slanting lines. Yes, children? Yes. Now, after Stacy, Danush Aryan. Danush Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Danush, can you see? Okay, let me zoom this, Danush. Now, can you tell me what is the shape here on this mesh?
Square.
Is this a square? See properly. Wow, this is a rectangle. Wow, yes, this is a rectangle. And I will even zoom this here. Just check. Okay. Okay, fine. This is a rectangle. Very good. Now, children, next. Okay, so let me go forward now. Yes. Okay, now we will call Danvika. Danvika is here. Danvika, quickly unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Danvika. See, here you can follow my mouse pointer. See, here few stones are laid on the sand here. So, what is the shape of these stones? This one.
Circle.
Circle. Very good. See, children, the circle shaped stones are laid on the mud here. Okay. Very good. Very good, Tanvika. Wow. So, you all are able to identify the shapes, children. Yes. Wow. Awesome. See, let me go forward. See, we have different types of plants here. Yes, children. Wow. It's an awesome look, right? So, let me go forward, children. Wow.
Thank
See here.
you.
Welcome, dear. And then we'll call Eva. Eva, unmute yourself, dear. Eva.
Yes,
Quickly
ma'am.
unmute. Yes, Eva. What do you see here?
Butterfly wings.
Butterfly wings. Very good. Now tell me, what is the butterfly wings example for? What do you see? Okay, so it has all the curved lines. And it is also a pattern. Yes, dear. Why this butterfly is a pattern? Can you tell me, Eva? Eva?
It's a, wing.
Please come again. Eva? Eva?
It's round.
Okay, see, let me tell you, children. So this butterfly you have learned. Yes, yes. It's a pattern because see the same colors, the same design is repeated again here. So we call this butterfly as a pattern. And children, see on the butterfly, if you can see, let me zoom this. Okay. See on the butterfly, if we zoom this, let me call Isaac Shan. Isaac Shan is here. Quickly unmute yourself, dear. Isaac Shan, you're here? Okay. Himanshu? Himanshu? Ma'am, Geeta ma'am, please check for them. Pratik? Okay.
Himanshu
Now,
is here.
he is here, yes. Himanshu, now tell me,
Himanshu.
follow my mouse pointer. What is the shape on this butterfly? What is the shape?
Oval.
Oval. Wow, awesome. Very good, boy. See, so there are so many oval shapes in this butterfly. Very good. Very good, Himanshu. Isaac is not here. Just check, ma'am. Next, Pratik.
Isaac is not there. No,
Okay,
Isaac.
fine. Okay, fine.
Isaac
Pratik.
is there.
Okay, I'll call him. I'll call him. Pratik.
Yes, Pratik.
Yes, Pratik. Now, Pratik, tell me what are these called? Pratik, shell. Very good. See, children, the shells are arranged in an increasing order, right? So, can you tell me what is the shape of these shells, Pratik? How it is looking? How does it look?
Oval man.
No, see, I'll tell you. So, we have 3D shapes like cube, cuboid, sphere, yes, cone. So, how does it look? Yes, very good. It looks like a cone. Yes, children. See, it is looking like a cone, right? Yes, very good, Pratik. Thank you. Then, Isaac. Isaac is here. Yes, children,
Isaac.
see here. Isaac Princey. Now, see, children, here also we have a nice pattern of the stones. Okay, children. So, you have observed this. And Isaac, you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see the flooring here?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the shape that you can see on this flooring?
Square.
Square. Very good. See, children, see on the flooring we have all the squares. The squares are arranged in a pattern. Yes, children. Yes. Very good, Isaac, Princey. Next, we'll call Jivisha. Welcome, dear. Next. Okay, let me go forward, children. Yes, let me go forward. Yes. Do we have Jivisha? Jivisha, you're here? Ma'am, just check
No,
Jivisha.
Jivisha.
No,
No,
okay, fine.
Jivisha.
Okay, fine. Daniel? Daniel, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Daniel, see, can you
Yes,
see this
ma'am.
railing here? Okay. Can you see this railing here? Is it in a straight line or a curved line?
A curved line.
Yes, see, it is looking like a curved one. It is going like this, right? So it is a curve. And okay, thank you, Daniel. Next, Rema.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Next, Rema.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rema. Now tell me on this railing, what is the shape that you see here? Which shape is
Railing?
continuing? Yeah, see this railing. You can see my mouse pointer, right? Okay, let me zoom it here for you. Okay, wait. Let me move it like this. Okay, this one I'm talking about this shape. What is this shape?
That's
It is in which? This one, this one. See, you can follow my mouse pointer, this one. Which shape is this?
triangle.
This one, dear. See this one. Okay, you're not able to tell. Okay, this is like a rectangle, right? See, this is like a rectangle. So the whole railing is filled with all these rectangles. So it is also a pattern. Okay, children? So let
Okay,
me go
ma'am.
forward now. Okay, welcome, dear. So now let me go forward, children. Yes, wait. I'll show you something here. Next, after Mary Rema, Datri. Datri, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Datri. Okay, let me zoom this for you. See, here we have pots, right? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the shape of this pot?
Circle.
Okay, on the top it's like a circle, but children, it is a cylinder. Yes, children, the pots are all the pots here are example for the cylinder because it has a round surface. On the top it's a circle and the bottom also it's a circle. Yes, children. So the cylinder, this pot is an example for a cylinder. Very good, Datri. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Now, children. Okay. See, there's a person standing here. We will go out from here. So, let me take you out. Okay. Let's just go out. Yes. See, we have come outside. Wow. Such lovely trees here, right? Wow. Now, children, what we will do? We will take the right. Okay. And then we will come to the left. So, let me see. I'll take you to the right side. So let me take you to the right. See how beautiful the park is here, children, with full of trees. And Kenisha is here. Kenisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kenisha. Can you see the flooring here and tell me what is the shape of the flooring here? I'll zoom it for you, dear. Kenisha, what is square? Very good girl. So children, see the shape of this flooring is in a square shape. Okay. So you are able to identify so many shapes, right? Yes. So keep searching, children. Keep seeing for shapes. I'll explain the shapes also, but you also keep looking at the try to identify the shapes. Okay. See, children. Here, if you can see this tree trunk. This tree trunk is also an example for a cylinder. Okay, children, see, it also has a round surface and on the top it's a circle and the bottom also it's a circle. But children, one thing, it is a natural shape of a cylinder. Why, children? If it is a man-made one, what happens? It would be very even, right? But the tree trunk, is it even? No, it is uneven, right? So it is its beauty. So all the natural things. So this cylinder is an uneven cylinder. Okay, children? Okay, let me, all the tree trunks, children. It may be a small plant or a bigger one. This tree trunk is an uneven cylinder. Okay, so let me take you forward. Children. Yes, let me take you still forward. Yes. Let me call Moktika. Moktika, quickly unmute yourself, Moktika. Moktika is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, let me take you here, Moktika. Wait, I'll take you here. Okay, now children, see here. Let me zoom this for you. Yes, Moktika, can you see here what it is written here? Can you read this?
WINGS.
Yes, WINGS, wings. Good girl. Now, can you tell me what can you observe by looking at these wings? Tell me.
Shape.
Okay. Okay, Moktika. See, it is made up of all the curved lines, right? And it is a pattern. See, here whatever the pattern is, whatever the colors they have used, the same thing they have used it here also. So this is an example for the pattern. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Moktika. Is it Moktika?
No.
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 Who is? Yes, who is? Nivedita. Yes, dear. Yes. Tell me.
Your what? So, ma'am.
My voice is low. Just check your system's volume, dear. I'll just check mine.
Ma'am, that
Wait.
is because when few children are unmuting, it is becoming like that.
Oh, okay, fine. Yes. Just a second, children.
It's clear.
It's clear now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let me call Nikhileshwar. Nikhileshwar is here. Nikhileshwar. Quickly unmute yourself, children, if you are here. Nikhileshwar. Okay, ma'am, just check for Nikhileshwar. Next,
Nikhil is
Satyakshara.
absent, I think.
Okay, fine. Satyakshara. Satyakshara. Satyakshara, quickly, dear. You are here?
She too is not
Okay.
there, ma'am.
Okay. Krishita. Krishita, last year, Sri.
Rishita is here.
Children, please mute yourself. Okay. Is this Krishita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krishita. So what can you see on this door, dear? Can you tell me?
Ma'am.
See, observe carefully and tell me. No? Can I help you? Okay. See, children, we can see the upward curves here. Yes. So, children, we have learnt about the upward curves and the downward curves, right? See, it's a nice curved line here, okay? Yes, very good. Now, after Krishita, we will call last year Sri. Yes. See, can you see a lamppost here? Yes. Can you tell me what is the shape of this lamppost? Wow, awesome. So it's a cylinder. See, on the top, we have a sphere also. So it is a combination of two shapes, a sphere and a cylinder. Okay, very good, dear. And now, okay. Next, Lakshit. Lakshit, quickly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Lakshit, from here, from this blue color, just check if there is any pattern and let me know. Is there any
Blue,
pattern?
yellow.
Blue, yellow. Then
Green.
after green,
Orange.
then
White.
again it starts from blue. See, after blue, again
Yellow.
green,
Green.
orange, and
White.
white. Now see, children, very good, dear. So see, blue, yellow, green, orange, white. Again blue, yellow, green, orange, white. So this lamppost, the color of this lamppost is repeating again. So what do we call this? We call it as a pattern. Yes, children. So next time, very good. Now children, let me go to the left side. So meanwhile, I'll go to the left side. You keep observing the whole part and try to identify the shapes which you can, okay, to see how beautiful it is. So I told you, right, patterns are everywhere. Yes, children, patterns are all around us. So we are going now in this way. So let me take this way, children. I am going to the left. Meanwhile, observe all the shapes, whatever you can, okay. So let me take you to the left side. Yes. Okay. I'm going to the left side here, children. Okay, just taking some time. Oh, I came inside. Okay, just a second. Let me go outside. Wait, children, let me go outside. Meanwhile, try to identify the shapes wherever you're able to see. Yes, I've come outside. Now let me take you here. Okay, I have come inside. Okay, wait. Okay. So children, can you see a beautiful butterfly here? Okay. So this butterfly is an example for a pattern. Yes, children, because see the same color, the same design is repeating on the other side also. And children, can you see a dustbin here? Okay. So this dustbin is like an ice cream, right? So this ice cream is in the shape of a cone. Okay. So let me explain it quickly here because we have 6 minutes left. So I'll quickly show you whatever we have it here. Okay, see again we have a butterfly. So this butterfly is again like a pattern. Yes. See again we have here blue and white color blocks here. They are continuing. They are repeating again and again. So this is also example for a pattern. So children, you can check for various patterns like this. See here we have a zigzag line. So this is also a pattern. And see, we have so many butterflies here. Okay. All the butterflies are examples for the pattern. And now children, we will go here. So let me take you here. Yes. So see children, here we have a drinking water thing. And if you clearly observe, there are patterns on this also. And this is in the shape of a cube. Okay children, this is in the shape of a cube. And then we'll go this side. So let me take you this side. See here we have an arrow mark. Yes, this arrow mark is a combination of a rectangle and a triangle. Yes, see children, here if you can see this tree, the bottom, it is like a rectangle. Okay, so let me take you down here. Yes. See here, we have a garden here. Let me take you to the garden now. Children, are you all enjoying the park? It's so awesome, right? So let me take you down, children. You can see so many patterns over here. So yes, see we have come here. So okay, let me take you still forward, a little bit forward. Okay. Children, can you see here we have a pattern of a triangle shape. Green and red color patches are here, grass is here. So it is like a pattern, triangle, red triangle and then the green one. Yes, children? And then here also see it's a pattern, a rectangle shape. Yes, green color and then red color. Yes, so this is again repeating. So it is also a pattern. Children, if you can see this, let me zoom this for you. To see if you see this, what is this, children? This is in the shape of a cone. Okay, this is like a mountain, right? So this is like a cone. Okay, so let's just come here. Let me take you here. Yes. So children, see here. Okay, let me take you this side. Let me zoom it. Yes. Okay. See, if you can see here, you can find a nice circle over here. Yes, children? And here also you can find a nice curve, an upward curve. Yes, children? So you can observe all the different patterns here. Okay. And if you see the flooring, let me zoom this flooring for you, children. Okay, wait. See, this flooring is a combination of all the sleeping lines and the standing lines. So this is also a pattern. Yes, children? So, in the same way, next time if you go somewhere, please do not, please try to observe all the patterns, okay? And here, if you can see this tree, children, this is almost like a sphere. Yes, children, we have learnt about the 3D shaped sphere, right? So, this is in the shape of a sphere. Wow, see how awesome the park is. Yes, children? Wow. So, did you all enjoy this, children? Yes, did you all enjoy this virtual tour? So, what I'll do, I'll come back to our presentation page. Okay. Yes, okay, fine. Now, children, wow. So, how was our virtual tour, children? Hope you all enjoyed. Geeta, ma'am? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
You can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Children, hope you all have enjoyed this. So let me take a quick poll, children, and see whether you have enjoyed this virtual tour to the butterfly park or not. Yes, children? So let me take a poll. You can answer in yes or no, children. You have two options. So quickly give me your responses. You children did not give your responses. Children, quickly give me your responses. Yes, majority of them said yes. Okay. Swara Praveen, what happened? You typed it no, you didn't enjoy it. Ananya B also. You didn't enjoy it here, or by mistake you have clicked it no? By mistake you have clicked it no?
No.
No, you didn't enjoy it?
No.
No, why? What happened?
There are not real butterflies there.
What happened? Oh, they are not the real butterflies. That is why you didn't like it? Yes, actually this is a point. Very good. Yes. Next, Cassie, yes, Brahmi. Yes, very good. Let me publish the polling results, children. Wow. So most of you have enjoyed.
This is my school friend, ma'am.
Okay, now please unmute yourself. Okay. Brahmi, what happened, Brahmi? Brahmi, you also didn't enjoy? You didn't see? Why? Why? What happened? Why didn't you see? Oh, it's okay. And Ananya, what happened to you, dear? Ananya? Ananya, breathe.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya, what happened? You typed it, you clicked no? Wasn't it an awesome part?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So children, we have come to the end of the session. So you all loved this butterfly park, right? Wow, I too loved going to this butterfly park virtually. We couldn't go really, but we have gone virtually and we have identified all the shapes, right? Yes, children? Yes. Now it's the time to say bye-bye for you. Okay, children? So thank you so much, Geeta ma'am, Sumitra ma'am, Subhadra ma'am. Bye-bye, children. Bye bye.